Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make smelt with coconut. I have here some smelt, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 green chili cut into half, a medium-sized onion chopped, few curry leaves, few cilantro, and 3 dry jungle palm. It's also called kokum, and it's easily available in any Indian grocery store. Let's start the process. On low heat, I have added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. It tastes very good if you make it just with coconut oil, but over here I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil too. Increase the heat to medium. To this we are going to add in ginger and green chili, curry leaf and cilantro, onions, we're going to add some salt. We're going to cook this onion until the onions turn pink. We'll now add the dried jungle palm. Usually if you get the much softer version of the dry jungle plum, that's actually much tastier. You can even add green mangoes to this. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Let's reduce the heat and mix it. To this we are going to add half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 2 tablespoons of dry coconut. You can use fresh coconut too. I didn't have fresh one, so I'm going to use dry. Fresh tastes better. Mix it well. To this you're going to add in your smelt after you cook this mixture on low heat for 2 minutes. Let's add in fish. Mix it. Let's add in half a tomato slice. We're going to cover and cook this for 5 minutes on low heat. It's past 1 minute. We're going to add in half a cup of water. Mix it once. Now let it cook for another 4 minutes. Let's see if the fish is cooked. Usually I don't like to mix the fish too hard, it will break up. But in this recipe you can actually just crumple it off. So it looks like the fish is cooked. So we're going to let it cook for another 2 more minutes. But this time we're not going to close it, we're just going to open it. Okay, so let's mix it. It's nice and well cooked. If you want, you can garnish it with cilantro. This goes well with rice or chapati. Okay, if you like, please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.